Our
now.
top story, a Michigan Supreme Court decision with wide-ranging implications. In a 4-3 opinion, justices ruled today that an adopt and amend maneuver by state lawmakers in 2018 was unconstitutional. That was several years ago, so for folks who don't remember, here's some background. In 2018, advocates gathered enough signatures to get minimum wage and expanded sick leave proposals on the November ballot. But before the election, Republican lawmakers passed both measures, meaning Michiganders didn't vote on them. Then after the election, the same lawmakers who passed the measures watered them down. Justices say that's where the problem lies, writing, quote, allowing the legislature to bypass the voters and repeal the very same law it just passed in the same legislative session thwarts the voters' ability to participate in the lawmaking process. The court went on to reinstate the laws passed before the election. So how will today's opinion impact you? There are three main takeaways. First, a new minimum wage schedule will take effect in February. Second, a lower minimum wage for tipped restaurant workers will gradually be eliminated. And third, most businesses will be required to provide workers with paid time off. Now, the Grand Rapids Chamber of Commerce says the Wage Act could increase the labor costs for hospitality services and industries by as much as 250%. One Fair Wages founder says there haven't been significant problems for small businesses that have been created by this change.
Tipped workers in Michigan currently earn $3.75 as a direct legacy of slavery. It's a wage that impacts a workforce that's overwhelmingly women, disproportionately single moms.
Drawing similarities between working at a restaurant for tips to slavery.
A lot of restaurants have already done this. They've already raised wages to recruit staff. What this law does is create a level playing field so that the big corporate giants like the IHOPs and the Denny's have to pay everybody a full minimum wage, just like the small businesses that were already doing so.
The Grand Rapids Chamber of Commerce VP of Government Affairs Josh Lunger says people have called them all day long concerned.
There's still some uncertainty is that original language around what employers must offer their employees around earned sick time, minimum wage, and one of the things we're hearing the most about is the eventual elimination of the tipped wage credit.
The timeline for the tipped wage credit being eliminated is spread out until 2029, with wages gradually increasing.
Something that we've heard a lot from restaurants, service industry, their employees about what does it mean for them, how are bills going to be impacted, how are those employees' wages going to be impacted. A lot of times the tips drive a significant amount of employees' wages. How's that going to change when that's no longer really an option to offer it that way?
Those in favor who brought the initiative to Michigan say it hasn't had the impact people have feared.
We've actually tracked several hundred small business restaurants that already did this post-pandemic because so many workers left the industry and said, I just can't work for these wages and I just can't work only for tips. So we have so much evidence that restaurants in Michigan already did this and it's working for them. And we've actually documented how they've done it.
The chamber saying they have questions that need answering, and they'll continue to ask.
My heart just goes out, and we're trying to get as many answers as we can.